Hi there. Today, we're going to take a quick look at how to move around the STFM Conference mobile app. Right now, we're on the home page. Here, you can check out the full schedule, what's on now, sessions, or posters just by clicking on any of the buttons here on the home page. As an alternative, you can also click on the three bars in the top left corner. This will open up a sidebar menu that will allow you to easily move around the app no matter where in the app you are. Let's click away from the sidebar now to get it to disappear. Back on the home page, let's check out the full schedule by clicking on the Full Schedule at a Glance button. Here, you can view a quick overview of the events on each day of the conference. To get back to the home page, we can click the three bars in the upper left corner and select Home. Now that we're back on the home page, let's take a look at our sessions list. We can do this by clicking on the Sessions button on the home page, or we can click the three bars in the upper left corner and select Sessions. Here in the Sessions list, we can see each day of the conference and what sessions are happening on which day. You can search for sessions based on the session name itself or keywords. For this example, let's search for registration. We can now see that any session with either registration in the title or a registration keyword shows up. To clear this search, we can just hit the X in the search bar. Let's now take a look at our filters. Filters allow us to search for sessions using only keywords. Let's try the same search from before, but this time using a filter. Let's find the registration keyword filter. We'll click on it, click apply, and now only sessions with the registration keyword will show up in our sessions list. To clear a filter, we can go back into the filter menu, click clear all, and then click apply. Now, let's cover your agenda. Using the steps from before, we have already applied a filter for general session, so only sessions with the general session keyword show up. You can add a session to your agenda by clicking on the little plus icon in the bottom right of the session. This adds that session to your agenda. Sessions in your agenda show up with a highlighted calendar icon. Now, let's click into the session titled GS01 Leyland Blanchard. Here, we can see information about the session, and we can also see that it shows up as added to agenda, as it is already in our agenda. If we want to remove it from our agenda, we can click the Added to Agenda button or the little icon back in the sessions list. Notice that just below the title of the session is a location. This tells you what floor and room that session is in. You can also click on this location and it will take you to the digital map showing where the session is located in the building. Clicking on the back arrow in the upper left will take you back to the session. Also, after you've attended a session, don't forget to take the session feedback at the bottom of the session. To get back to the session, click the back arrow in the upper left, and to get back to the session list, click the back arrow again. To get to your agenda, click the My Agenda at the top of the sessions page. You may notice only one session is showing at the moment. This is because we still have a filter applied. Yes, you can also filter your agenda. Let's clear that filter and then we can see all the sessions in our agenda. You can also get to My Agenda by clicking the person in the upper right and then selecting Your Agenda. You can do this a third way by selecting the three bars in the upper left and then selecting My Agenda. At the end of the conference, don't forget to take the conference survey by clicking on the button shown here on the homepage and tell us how we did. We look forward to seeing you and hope you enjoy your time at the conference.